case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2008, a high-profile legal showdown played out between the behemoth cigarette companies and a woman named Norma Rose in the New York Court of Appeals, the Adamo v. Brown and Williamson Tobacco Corp. At the heart of the dispute was whether the cigarette companies were negligently designing their products by not using lower levels of tar and nicotine. Norma Rose claimed this negligence led to her lung cancer and other smoking-related illnesses after over 40 years of consumption. The odds, however, were not in Norma's favor. The court reminded that to prove negligence in a legal case against a manufacturer, a plaintiff needed to demonstrate that the wider product category, in this case, cigarettes, could have been designed in a safer way, but without losing any of its inherent functionality. Norma was unable to put forth adequate evidence to satisfy this litmus test. Interestingly, the court referred to the precedent set in Voss Viss Black and Decker MFG Company and took a divergent path in differentiating cigarettes from products such as circular saws or molding machines whose functions can be isolated from the inherent risks they pose. Echoing another case, Felix v. Axo Nobel Coatings, the court pointed out that Norma, too, failed to provide evidence of a realistically safer alternative cigarette design that still carried the same function as regular cigarettes. They noted that reducing tar and nicotine doesn't guarantee light cigarettes will gratify a smoker's craving in the same way as a regular cigarette. With this viewpoint, the court ruled against the plaintiff and upheld the decision of the appellate division. The court concluded that equating every cigarette sale to tort liability would tantamount to a judicial ban on the product, which is a responsibility rightfully belonging to the legislative bodies. Laying the burden on any potential safety redesigns on cigarette companies, the court added that the plaintiff failed to establish negligence on the part of the cigarette companies in designing their products. Light cigarettes were not proven to be equivalent in function or utility to their regular counterparts. After examining the arguments, the court thus sided with the cigarette manufacturers, making it clear that the key test of choosing a potentially safer product design necessitates it retains its functionality. The burden of proof, it seems, continues to be a weighty one for the plaintiffs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.